The journey of a lifetime. Everybody's crying tears.
The group of a lifetime on the journey of a lifetime. Amazing, huh?
How do you say goodbye? Do you want to stay longer?
I'm here longer. I'm definitely here longer.
So you ready to enjoy the other half of your journey?
Yes, I am.
You're gonna rough it?
Right now.
Alright family, everybody's exciting, everybody's saying goodbye. Huh? You waiting for me? Excellent. You're gonna say goodbye to everybody? Or farewell, 98, safe journey. Alright. Family, unfortunately our journey of a lifetime is coming to an end and we're all saying our greetings to some of those who are staying back for a few weeks.
I'm enjoying it.
Derek, you don't have to go, you can stay.
Wish I could. It was a great time.
It's a great time.
Next time.
My brother.
Yeah, hope to see you next year, right?
Absolutely.
See you guys all.
Yes, yeah.
Safe journey.
Yes, yeah. The journey of a lifetime is coming to an end.
Yes, sir.
Ross Marvin, how do you feel?
Ross Marvin. Respect.
Yes, family, so the bags are all packed.
Tell the truth, homeboy. Go home, drop it down.
Sash, you look like you're staying.
Well, you know, I am staying. Part of me is staying and part of me is going back.
The journey of a lifetime, family.
Journey of a lifetime, no kidding.
The 10th journey of a lifetime, the greatest journey of all time.
I'm another Sharon Smith. This is my sister for self. Yeah. Journey of a lifetime.
So Sharon, your journey is coming to an end. How was it overall?
Overall, it was wonderful.
Is it the best journey of your lifetime?
Best journey of my lifetime.
There you go, family. We heard from one of our wonderful tour participants.
We're getting on here.
And once again, family, we are staying here at the Michelin, which we're going to say our depart. A real welcome away from home. And that's what it was. Yes, my brother, another journey of a lifetime. Was it your journey of a lifetime? Was it all that and more? Excellent, excellent.
Too much for words.
Too much for words, here you go. And my brother, for the second time, you ready to come back for another third time?
Oh yeah, I'll be back. Yeah, I'll be back.
This is just the beginning, right? The saga continues.
Yes.
And we have another. You don't you don't want to leave. Then why not stay with my sister?
I'm sad. Well, that stuff I gotta get back to, like plantation. But I'll be back. I'm gonna look for me a ticket as soon as I get back. I'm coming.
There you go.
I'm going to Kumasi.
Anybody ready to go back to the plantation? Who's ready to go back to the plantation?
Not me. Plantation. Ain't no plantation dwellers on here.
No plantation. We want to return back to paradise.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Return to paradise. I like that one. And look at all the wonderful people here looking like they tell us they wishing we can all stay too. Yes, righteous. Another journey of a lifetime.
Yes. Well, okay, family, it was a beautiful one out there. So saying that your brothers out there should come for a journey next year. So come have a journey of a lifetime.
Yes, right? Journey of a lifetime.
Journey for a lifetime.
The saga continues. The journey continues. Family, 2016 is going to be another magical year. Get organized, get ready, get things in order so you can journey with us for another wonderful journey of a lifetime.
Black Queen, who will come?
That's this. Big Papa.
Black Queen.
I'm gonna miss